Good morning, Zachy. Oh, it's morning. It's morning. Oh, look at how morning it is now. Say good morning. Say good morning. Do you want to check on Rabbit and Panda and Monster and say good morning to them? Come on, let's go see. Where are they? Maybe they're in their house. Do you know where their house is? Come on. Let's find Rabbit and Panda. Where's Rabbit and Panda? Let's get them up too. They can get up for good morning. You got them? Now we're gonna get Monster too? Bless you. Bless you. Oh, we got him. Oh, Monster! Good morning, Monster. No, don't bite me! Don't bite me! No! No! Say good morning, Monster. Hi. Good morning. Alright. Should we go play?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go play with Monster and Rabbit and Panda. Do they want to play with cars? Okay, let's go play.
Cars? Yeah, let's play cars.
Let's play cars. Come on.
Say cheese, Rabbit.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese.